Hi, I'm Gary O'Reilly, owner of O'Reilly's Amish Furniture in Nashville. I've been in the furniture business for 52 years, and I'm proud to offer 100% American-made furniture. At O'Reilly's, I partner with 80 Amish craftsmen who build each piece of our solid wood furniture by hand. We offer solid wood dining and bedroom sets, home office furniture, TV cabinets and entertainment center, occasional tables, and more. At O'Reilly's, you get to choose your favorite solid wood, like oak, maple, cherry, hickory, elm, quarter sawn white oak, and walnut. You get to choose from over 100 finishes and over 400 pieces of hardware. We've got any style you want, and you can even choose the exact size you need. Our solid wood furniture is handcrafted just for you and built to last for generations. We also carry leather and upholstery that is 100% American made with unmatched quality. Choose from 400 fabrics and 200 leathers and many styles of sofas, loveseats, sectionals, chairs, recliners, and more. At O'Reilly's Amish Furniture, we offer only the best American-made furniture plus outstanding customer service. It's your hard-earned money. You should get what you want. Stop into our showroom on Highway 100, 1 mile east of the Loveless Cafe. We're open 7 days a week.